Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you the hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. So Sisinje, congratulations to Zodwa Abantu who finally launched her own perfume, which is Touchable Day and also Touchable Night by Zodwa Abantu. Wow guys, Zodwa Abantu is doing extra and we say congratulations to Zodwa Abantu. Keep shining. Here are the videos and pictures from the night. Thank you guys. I'm out. Till next time.
Thank you so much for coming. This is my night. This room is full. I know Carrie, Lisa, Simon, and who. I don't give a shit who you are. I'm Zodwa Abantu.